Here's some animal rescue moments that remind us just how precious every life is. First, a cat slipped into a narrow stream. Luckily, the current was gentle. Just when things looked uncertain, a kind man showed up with a ladder and carefully rescued the scared cat. Next, a goose got its head stuck in a fence. Looked like it had been there for a while. Thankfully, a gentle hero came to the rescue, carefully freeing its head. Then, a dog fell into a fast-flowing river. Clinging to the edge, it looked terrified. An elderly man, with the help of an excavator, worked hard to rescue the dog. It wasn't easy, but in the end, the dog was safe. The last one, a dog was stranded on a rooftop surrounded by rising floodwaters. Fortunately, a rescue team arrived just in time to save it.